We're about to delve into the secrets of crafting this delicious and versatile dish. To start with, gather your ingredients. For the filling, you'll need half a pound of ground pork, or you can opt for chicken, beef, or finely chopped shrimp. You'll also need 2 cups of finely shredded cabbage, 1 cup of shredded carrot, half a cup of finely chopped bamboo shoots, 2 thinly sliced green onions, and a couple of minced garlic cloves. For seasoning, you need a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. To seal the rolls, you'll need a teaspoon of cornstarch dissolved in 2 teaspoons of water. Now let's move to the wrapping. You'll need a package of egg roll wrappers, which should be about 20 pieces. And for frying, vegetable, peanut, or canola oil will do the trick. Let's jump into the cooking process. First, heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Cook the ground pork until it's browned, breaking it apart with a spatula. Drain any excess fat. Then add the cabbage, carrot, bamboo shoots, and green onions to the skillet. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables are soft. Stir in the garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil, and black pepper. Cook for an additional minute, then remove from heat and let the mixture cool slightly. Now, it's time to wrap the egg rolls. With a corner of the wrapper pointing towards you, place about 2 tablespoons of the filling near the bottom corner. Fold the bottom corner over the filling, then fold in the sides and roll tightly, ending with the top corner. Use the cornstarch slurry to seal the final edge. Repeat this process with the remaining wrappers and filling. Next, heat about 2 inches of oil in a deep pot or pan to 350 degrees. Fry the egg rolls in batches, taking care not to overcrowd the pan. Each side will need about 2 to 3 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. Then remove the egg rolls with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. And voila! Serve the egg rolls hot with your choice of dipping sauce, such as sweet and sour sauce, soy sauce, or hot mustard. Remember, you can customize your filling according to your preferences. For a vegetarian option, try tofu or just vegetables. And if you're looking for a healthier version, you can bake the egg rolls at 425 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, until golden brown. And there you have it, the perfect homemade Chinese egg roll. And please, like and subscribe to help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers. Until next time.